Wow, guys, check it out, Fidget tap. Whoa, it's amazing, it's amazing. Oh, cool switch laser. Whoa. Anyway, hi guys, and today we're playing again. You can guess it. It's color switch, but there's a new mode. Let's just refresh you with, I showed you last episode, Fidget Spinner. Well, apparently it's updated, so that's why I made this video. It's updated so that, and I'm gonna show you the new thing, which I always show you before I started even talking. Anyway, it's Fidget tap. Oh, I'm pink. Whoa, nearly hit the monster. Get some power. No, I missed a star. I missed another star. I'm a devastator. Anyway, so yeah, Fidget tap. So let's just try number two. Guess it. Oh, there's a 10-star. Guys, yes! No! Yes, I want to continue.
Open your own coffee shop. Talk to your customers and follow their stories. Decorate your cafe.
Okay. Nice! Well, I might make videos of that, but for now, no thank you. Whoa! Guys, that always works. But it doesn't work on other games. Anyway. Hop. I think I haven't showed you hop before. Oh, plus I'm also a star. Let's draw on the devices. Whoop. Anyway, let's do another thing like hop, which is I think, wait, what is it called? Up and down, I think. Anyway, there's also this other one I'm going to show you. Well, there's actually two other ones that I want to show you. First, it's climb. Which I think I've done in another episode. Climb. Nice, I tried always do that. It's amazing. Okay, back out of climb to that climb. They climb up. But there it is, up and down, up and down. Well, oh, dodgy. These are very dodgy, Once I actually saw a 10-star, and 10 stars like that hollow star gives you plus 10. I can't do up and down. Wait. Oh, wait. I think this is a new one. Oh yeah, I haven't even tried that level before. Anyway, skip it. Whoa. I did it. I can't believe it. Everybody, I did it. Wait, me, Easter. Let's see. Oh man, not this one. It's the one. Get it? Oh man, you probably don't get it. Probably can't even hear me. So let's just forget it. Okay, get it? Ah man, just forget it. Anyway, let's do Fidget tap endless. What? How are we supposed to get past this? You think, how we're supposed to get past this? Oh, nearly tapped it. I am warning you that I'm not very good at it. No! Skip it. My best score is 9. Oh, that's because it's the first time I've ever tried it. Oh, I get it. Ooh. I just pick a random game. Like, you get smaller, and if you get too small, you die. See, I'm good. No, thank you. Wait, that was Tiger 11? Wow, I did not know that. Okay. No! That's it. I give up. Add. Seriously, add. Doing its work. Seriously, add. Doing its work. Add. Anyway. Which one should we do? Which one haven't I showed you guys before? I showed you shoot. Break. What break? Not break. Go for more left. Can I do break? I'm a great ninja star. Yes! With the great ninja star power, guys! With the great ninja star power! I did it! Anyway, let's do one. Oh, it's coming after me. And I've already completed it. Okay. You're coming. Go. Haha, monster. Oh, I completed it. Anyway, spin. Can do 12. Wait, oh, not 12. That was a fail. What the? How are you supposed to do this, huh? Not like that. Add.
Are you on a low or fixed income? You may be eligible for a concession to help with your cost of living expenses.
Whatever. Anyway, that will wrap it up. I just want to show you the only fidget spinner and fidget set. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And about that cafe thing, I might actually make YouTube videos of it. Anyway, boy. Bye.